Hey everyone, welcome to my Inkscape tutorial playlist. Inkscape is a powerful, free and open source software for the creation of what are called vector image. I will explain what that means later, but for now just know that a vector image has an infinite resolution. This essentially means that you cannot have a quote-unquote pixelized vector drawing. On top of that, Inkscape is available on Windows, Mac and Linux, so there's really no excuses not to use it. I suggest you download and install it on your computer by following the link in the video description or going to inkscape.org. So, in this tutorial, I will cover the basic tools that I use all the time to create publication quality drawings and graphics. My hope is that this series can be used by students all the way up to college professors and researchers. Because this tutorial covers the use of Inkscape in an academic, science and research environment, I will not cover many of the more advanced tools and features available in Inkscape. If you want to learn about them, there are plenty of amazing playlists that are more focused on the use of Inkscape to create digital arts. Usually, these will go in much more details. I specifically recommend the Logos by Nick channel on YouTube. I'll include the link in the video description. This tutorial series will contain about 10 videos. I'll cover a different subject or tool in each video and add one or two at the end of the playlist to cover my favorite tips and tricks. I will maybe also include a few Python and Inkscape examples. So here we are. Feel free to keep watching up to the end of the video as it shows a few accelerated footage of me using Inkscape for inspiration. Otherwise, you can just keep going to the next video along the playlist. See you later.